My hands were so ashy I had to redo the whole daggone video. But I'm about to show you how to install these hooks for all your plants to hang from the ceiling. Well, most of them, not the heavy ones. Here are the parts. They come with this little butterfly flange thing that goes inside the ceiling. That screw right there will go inside of that, and it will look like that when you install it. And that goes in the ceiling and twists until the hook is tight. And the hook itself will go on the end of that. And it will look like just the hook is hanging from your ceiling when you're all done. That is a screw if you have a stud, but I don't have a stud and I'm not looking for one and I'm not about to go through all that. So I'll show you how it's done. I had already got started, but my hole wasn't quite big enough. Yeah, so let me carefully get my ass up in this chair and show you that this is easy, but it can be messy. So I have my drill inside of a box and I'm going to stick my hand through the hole so that all the little dust stuff can fall in the box when I drill. And all you have to do is basically stick the drill bit through and just keep going in a circle, in a circle, in a circle till it's big enough. And don't make it too big because you'll see the hole through the hook. Some of my hooks look like that, so we try not to make that mistake again. But anyway, it's very easy. But one mistake I did make, I should have put the little hook in on there as well. It would have been easier. But nonetheless, all you have to do is hold on to it and screw the hook in there after you get the screw in. And while you're spinning it, while you're twisting, you kind of pull down on it so the tension from the ceiling will, make it screw, because otherwise it's just going to spin around in there. And if I would have had the hook on first, I wouldn't have had to do so much screwing. So much screwing. But anyway, yeah, it's a very easy project. And I say do this to get all your plants up and pretty. So your house will have the greenery jungle effect that you want. And so that oxygen can be in there. You want to purify the area home. So you can do that with these hooks very easy. Just don't use too much weight. You don't want your ceiling to fall down and come blaming me talking about I made your ceiling fall down. No, I did not, baby. Don't use the biggest plant you got to hang on that hook. Okay? All right now. Holla.